meeting is being recorded.
So my name is Zain, and for AI Model 1, I made the project using Python and AI called a Music Recommender. First, I got a data set called Spotify 2000 that using the three features: artist, top, genre, and year. The AI will predict the title of the song. As you can see, there are 120 data points, and we use this data set in Pixida to create to train the AI, and as you can see, after training the AI, we get the screen where we can monitor and ask the AI to predict the song for us. So I'll choose an artist, a genre, and a year, and I'll press predict, and it predicts the song Fix You. Going back to the data sheet, you can see that for the artist Coldplay and genre Permanent Wave, year 2005, the title song is Fix You, which tells us that it is accurate. I use this uh, the Pixida AI on in Replit to merge with Python so that I could create the project. And as you can see, this is the code I've used. So I'll just run this project once. Therefore, as you can see, based on my preferences of artist, genre, and year, the AI predicts a song someone told me for me. And going back to the data set, we can see that for the sorry, for the Killers, modern rock, and 2004, we get somebody told me. So it shows that the data set and the AI and Python code matches with the data set, and it is accurate. Thank you.